our kit we have towel, we got wash, soap. We cannot wash clothes with this soap. We're gonna wash, toothpaste, we got comb, we got soap butter, we got a serviette for girls, and we got razor, and then we got paper toilet, and we got bath soap. All this stuff, we're gonna put this on this bucket.